Bula and Namaste. Welcome to our Fujisan News Update. In our main bulletin today, the new constitution will be the best ever. Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama made the comment yesterday as he reassured the nation of a transparent constitutional process. Speaking to the Fujisan at Ndravo village in Tailevu, Commodore Bainimarama said the new constitution will be the best ever. He also called for public support towards the constitutional process. Commodore Bainimarama advised the members of the public to make use of the opportunity provided in the making of the new constitution. Also, a funeral was accorded to the late Honorary Colonel of the 2nd Battalion of Fiji Infantry Regiment, Colonel Inose Tawakenreo, at his village in Ndravo, Tailevu. The late Colonel Tawakenreo joined the civil service in 1950 when he received his first posting as a school teacher. In 1978, he was a third FIR commanding officer, and by then he was a lieutenant colonel. He went to Lebanon and then to Sinai as CEO of the 2nd Fiji Infantry. In 1983, he joined the Prisons Department as Deputy Commissioner Prisons, and in 1987 was the Commissioner Prison. In business news, a third-generation family business in Fiji has received international recognition for their innovative Fijian-made products. Dahia Shoes exhibited its product at the Australian Shoe Fair in a February event in Sydney and has continued to grow in both the local and international markets. With this month being named Manufacturing Month by the Fiji government, Dahia is an ideal example of how a Fijian company can make a name for itself internationally. Dahia began in 1914 when Indian migrant Dahia Hasij settled in Fiji and set up a workshop to continue his family tradition business of manufacturing and selling handmade shoes. Finally, in sports, if Fiji needs to win in London this weekend, the players should forget the defensive system right, says Frank Boivot. Boivot, who is the Fiji Rugby Union coaching director, said the Digicel Fiji Sevens team defense dropped match after match at Glasgow last weekend. Fiji lost 25-21 to England in extra time in the Cup semi-final. One player that Boivot rates the best was rover Isake Kotonibau, who played well on attack. Before we leave, let's look at the forecast for today. Cloudy periods with some showers over the interior and eastern parts of the larger islands, Lau and Lomaiviti group. Fine apart from possible isolated afternoon or evening showers elsewhere. Possible isolated thunderstorms with heavy falls in the afternoon or evening. That's all for now from the newsroom. Have a blessed day.